the French crop. So the French crop is one of my favorite styles of 2023. It's casual, it's cool, it's low maintenance, but it's timeless. The beautiful thing with this style is that there are a lot of different versions, a lot of different ways that you can actually rock this. So when it comes to the French crop, few things you need to know, all right? The sides and the back are tight, but the front is pulled forward almost in a modified like Caesar cut. But the thing that you need to pay attention to is the piecey separation, all right? Lots of texture, lots of movement. The way you're going to achieve this is actually go to a barber that is going to use either a razor to get definition or thinning shears in order to give it more body and more life. In terms of products, guys, few I want to talk about. Number one is a sea salt spray. If you want any type of life or volume in your hair, a sea salt spray is going to be an amazing pre-styler. After the shower, a few squirts of this, and then style like normal. In terms of product, for the French crop, what I probably recommend is a clay, all right? It's a lighter product. It's also going to have a matte finish. It's not going to weigh your hair down. And then something else to take it to the next level is a texture powder.